In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add custom CSS code to your website using Hostinger's website builder in just a few simple steps. Whether you're aiming to tweak certain design elements or inject a personal flair into your site, customizing your CSS is a powerful way to make your site uniquely yours. So let's dive right into it. First things first, we're going to start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all your website projects with ease. If you have multiple sites, make sure to select the right one if you're working with more than one project. Now that you're in, find and open your site project. This will take you straight to the website builder interface where you have full control over your site's design and functionality. Look to the left side of your screen for the menu options. From here, you're going to choose Site Settings. This section is where all the magic happens. You'll find various settings that enable you to configure your site to your liking. Within Site Settings, you'll want to locate the Custom CSS section. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is what allows you to control the look and feel of your website. Once you've found it, click on it. This will open up a text editor-like interface where you can type or paste your CSS code. If you have your CSS code ready, simply copy it from its source and paste it directly into this editor. Make sure you review the code before pasting it to ensure there are no errors or unnecessary elements that could mess with your site's layout or responsiveness. A quick reminder here, it's always a good practice to keep a backup of your original site settings or the CSS code you might be modifying just in case you need to revert any changes. Once you've pasted your CSS code, the next step is to save it. Look for the Save button. It's usually in the bottom or top corner, and you'll want to ensure all your hard work is saved properly. Congratulations, you've successfully added your custom CSS. The last thing you'll want to do is preview the changes on your website. This is an essential step as it allows you to see how the changes look on the actual site and ensure everything is displaying as expected. Simply navigate to the preview option in the editor to check the live view of your site. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add custom CSS to your website using Hostinger's website builder. This skill not only elevates your design capabilities, but also empowers you to create a truly personalized online experience. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials like this one.